The highly anticipated M6 tournament is just around the corner. As our talented representatives gear up for battle, the question on everyone's mind is, will the Philippines claim victory once again? Their unstoppable force and unmatched skills, anything is possible. Stay tuned as we bring you all the action and excitement from M6.
Pilipinas pinakamalakas, laban kahit saan makarating, palaban kahit sandalin, hindi umatras. Lalo na pagkausapang galing, malalarong di mo kayang laruin. Pilipinas pinakamalakas, Pilipinong bandera ang itataas. Ipapakita sa buong mundo ang kayang ilabas. Pilipinas pinakamalakas, kahit talagaan, kahit tayo lang. Started from the bottom, ngayon nasa big, nasa top, pero yung mata nagmamasid.